Hello everyone, welcome to Eivindfx first of April. I'm not gonna fool you today, but there is something absolutely new today, you might ask. Today it is NFP. It is truly a fantastic day. Hope you have everything covered. Hope you have everything ready. Hope you have your shmoney ready out there. And let's take this one to another level. So, the only way, or the new way, or the other way that this is gonna go higher. So everyone, today's video is actually sponsored by...
This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Would you imagine, eh? Would you imagine? So now you can get 30% off, or up to 30% off for your first plan if you use the link in the description below, and you are a easier way to get funded. Isn't that easy? Well, that sounds fantastic to me though. So today we are, let's see if that is the right one. That is the right one. There we are. Now I feel better at home. All right. So we have, let's prepare for NFP. So, who is it? TechBow. Hey, TechBow. You can use credit card. You can use debit card. It's totally up to you. I'm not going to say anything else than it is safe. I've not heard about anyone not being okay with it. I have never heard about anyone being scammed, and I will be very angry. I will be very angry, and I will not be happy. And if you will be scammed of your credit details, we will come up with a solution. And of course, if you go and buy stuff from me and you end up losing that money, I'm not going to reimburse for what they steal from you, which is unlikely in any case. But I'm just going to say one thing: there is no problem with me, and if you need to get a refund for your $30 that you gave, cool, and then the bank should then reimburse you for whatever they take away from you. That is normal bank practices, but I can't choose for you. PayPal is a other option. But it's almost like I want to take more for that, because I need to manually start doing things, and I do not like that. So yeah, that's, I guess, that's the options that you have. There is definitely options out there, so just contact me, bro, if you need to talk about it, and then we can see what we can do. I'm not a dangerous person. I'm not a difficult person, but that's that. So welcome to all the YouTube members, and also our trade sponsor, Trader Central, that is keeping this stream alive. I am definitely working under the blankets on some more, so hopefully you guys will benefit from that. The only a good reason to start, at a better footing, and you might also save some money. So yeah, that was that. Today I have already bought on this level here. I think that was a good level on S&P, just to mention that. Already buy that. That is already in your Discords, your Discord lords, as I should be out there. Posted a couple of hours ago. Oh, it's not in the free actually. Ooh, okay. But the mentorship always get it first, and I put it into the A1 trading one. So I bought SPX at 45.55, I think 56, I think it was. Stop loss is 44.40. And TP is probably 49. TP is 49. Alright, habari yako, niko mzuri sana. Cool. So, can you buy? Can US30 be a buy? Yeah. Dizzy, hello. I got hello. And all of you, hello. So, I want to go through the prep first of all. That is Wells Fargo. First of all, expecting what are they expecting? Don't expect anything actually. They just expect to be that it has been strong. JP Morgan comes out at 5,500. Unemployment 3.7. Wall Street Journal, economist poll on the Wall Street Journal are expecting 490,000 and 3.7 of employment rate. 550 from Barclays, 525 from BofA, and Deutsche is 400,000. 3.7. Barclays thinking 3.8 for unemployment. So we are, generally speaking, around where we are supposed to be. Now, BofA says that Eurodollar might have a chance to bottoming out at 108. Okay, that is all good for today. We don't need to talk more about that. And then we need to talk about this one that is coming in 30 minutes, 35. I think is it supposed to be 35 minutes? Yeah. I see no countdown though. Are we early? Are we early again? Come on. We did early last time. I'm not going to do early this time around. It is 7:55 in New York. NFP time is 8:30. That should be in 25 minutes, right? That should be in 25 minutes. I'm not doing the same mistake again, bro. I'm not going to do the same mistake again. All right. Are we going to trade NFP together today? Yes, we are. We're going to trade it. We're going to trade it. We're going to trade 35 minutes. So calendar has not started countdown yet. I thought it was supposed to start 1 hour before, but apparently not today. Not today. Isn't it great? Yeah, then we are finally, we have 34. We're, whoosh, she. That was almost. So NFP, market expecting 490,000. So what is my prediction? What is Eivindfx value to the world? Joy to the world, and world might see that this is the best NFP, and we're expecting 490,000, 490k. If it is below expectation, if it's below 490, we are expecting dollar what? We are expecting dollar what? And if it's above, we are expecting what? Please tell me, Goose, what is your expectation? Dollar will fall, dollar will range or fall, dollar will rise. Or fall. Aren't that good? Do you have expectations for gold? Yes, sir, we have. So this is kind of what I am currently running with today. So below 490,000, I can't even spell, not 490,000. 3 times, I can only do it once, 2 times, and 3 times. Cool, 1 out, good. Okay, cool. There we are. Below 490,000, dollar will fall. Expectation, dollar will range or fall, and if it's above $1 will rise. That might not be the initial reaction, but by the end of the day, that is what I'm expecting. For S&P, so we do the same thing again. 490,000, expecting S&P SPX will fall, XPX will range, and XPX will rise. Those are the same expectations I have for XPX. That is XPX, sorry. There we are. Good. Now, if we go to gold, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're bringing your likes to today's stream. I hope you're bringing your smiles to today's stream. But I have, believe it or not, prepared jokes. So, Kasasa came yesterday. When Ivan, when you are boring on stream, you know, bring some jokes. So I brought some jokes today. So I think that is, I think that's going to be great. Gold. There is gold. Okay. All right. So my gold theory the other day was it should go higher. It goes to 2,000. How wrong can I be? Hello, James. How wrong can I even be? I was so wrong. I was so wrong that even my t-shirt was inside out, you know? So, you know, that's what happens. I need to wake up on the other side of the bed maybe, and I might maybe have a better day. So, my small expectation for gold today is, believe it or not, nothing. Okay. So the reason why gold will then do opposite of dollar. So if it's lower than expected, gold will rise. If it's higher than expected, gold will fall. But hear me out here, good fellas of this stream. If you're gonna make money on gold, by the way, whatever I'm talking about today is not financial advice only educational purposes, maybe also entertainment. You might find it funny, but I'm only here for educational purposes. I don't give financial advice. You have to talk to a financial advisor about your specific situation, and I can't do that, so there we go. Anyways, here we are. If gold falls and you start selling it, believe me, you will sell the bottom. Okay? You will sell the bottom as a bottom fish, you know? As Finding Nemo, you will find Nemo faster than you find the moon. The market will reverse on you. So, if you have done real trades on real NFP, back tested it, seen how does it feel, how does it do, where does it pull back, watching candles afterwards doesn't justify at all how gold actually moves. So, what I'm expecting out of gold, if the initial reaction is down, I'm going to see that candle down to 1900, if it is a lot, go back up again, 100% back up again, a bit higher, maybe even do that before it falls down again. Okay? So if you are the bottom fish selling here, hallelujah, hallelujah. I'm going to say one thing, my brother. You're living in the danger zone. Danger zone, danger zone. So, nothing else than that, I would say. So, if you're thinking gold, wait for the first initial move. Wait for the pullback. If so, wait for it to retrace 100% even. And then we can start thinking about, should we sell it, should we buy it? It is one way to kill your account. And if you kill your account on gold today, do you know what I brought out today? I brought out this one. I'm not going to stick you or punch you, but I'm ready to fight, okay? I will fight you. Not in a physical way, but I will not be happy. Do not lose your account today. There is no way you are allowed to lose your account today. If if you have a small account, don't trade gold. If you're gonna have a small account, don't trade today. And if you're gonna have a small account, the only best way to do it is doing, I don't know, real setups at normal market conditions. Kasasa, when you come to Nairobi, I'll fight you because you've been a bad boy. But yeah, today, Kasasa, you're gonna tell me if you're gonna come to Nairobi. You said Friday, eh? Friday's today. Today's Friday. You tell me, eh? So US 30. This one can surely fall a bit more. I don't care about that. It can definitely happen. But I would say technically it's a level to buy. It has broken below what I wanted to see. But 34,000 and higher? Yeah, probably. Why do I have that in my room? The reason why, people, it's easier than you think. Okay? Okay? It is funnier than you think. You see, I have a stick. I'm too lazy. I will turn off the lights. And the other reason is I will close curtains. Okay? That's why I have it. I'm lazy, okay? Is that okay? Is that okay to have a stick and there's a window behind me that I can't access without the stick, actually? But I have to close the curtains off. I wouldn't even poke gold with a wooden stick. Do you think pound yen will fall on NFP? US 30 is in a buy level. It depends if it fits your strategy, not mine. And if it fits your account, I know if it does, that's totally up to you. And then yeah, higher highs is probably what you need. So if it then drops, I see that's a buying opportunity. But yeah, 34,200 is kind of a level I would like to see as well. Do you think pound yen will fall? I think pound yen. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I have not made up my mind about yen yet. I have told people that I haven't made up my mind yet, so I'm not going to do that. But if dollar strengthens, I think it's going to weaken. So I think it will do opposite of dollar. That is just my preliminary thought process here in today's streaming. Okay, nothing else than that. Haha, and your wife see you lazy ad when you're doing that. Yeah. Brazilian sanctions is likely to dilute US dollar dominance, IMF says. Any confirmation regarding that news? I think it's a bit conspiracy theory. Yeah. Okay, sanctions. Yeah. I don't think sanctions is probably the biggest killer. The biggest killer is that America and Europe seized their asset, the Russian central bank's asset, in euro and dollar and on a flip stick, and I think that's what scares people the most. That your assets are no longer safe, no matter what in America or Europe. The other thing is, can oil trade now starting to go outside of oil, outside of US dollar? Yes. You also need to have a willing buyer, willing seller. Europe has not been willing to be buying in ruble. The Indians bought, what was it, 1 million or 5 million, whatever it was, some million barrels of oil from Russia in rupees. So Saudi Arabia wanted to sell oil to Japan in yen, Japanese yen. So maybe. We have seen signs of that, but dollar is so well used, so bigly used, that it's gonna take a lot. So loans to Africa is in dollars. Both from America, from IMF, it's probably also in Europe from IMF. Chinese, I don't know what they pay for Chinese. I would guess it's dollars that they are dominated. Those loans are dominated in. So most loans in the world are in dollar. Most oil trade still so far is in dollar. Most trade are in dollar. I bought today in dollar, and I receive in dollar. You pay in dollar. Everyday goods. So there's going to be a lot of transactions that needs to start to go into other currencies than dollar before we will start seeing rotation. I think right now it's just a riot in a small shop somewhere in town, and it doesn't at all quantify the massive market that it has to turn around to start doing that. So yeah. I understand where you're coming from, Tisering, but just bear with me. Okay, cool. What happened with yen if NFP is higher? I think it will fall. That's what I think. Sean says, hello. Hey, Kamau. Hola. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Qué pasa? Which orange came first? Is the juice or the color? Which orange came first? Is it the juice or the color? Juice. What is view on oil and gas? Chris Stonehouse says, could you do oil, my good sir? My respected Chris, you are so polite. That you are Raphael. Raphael, I'm just thinking. I'm reading comments. My brain is working so fast. I'm trying to say something valuable, why I think. And yeah, okay. Then jokes on me then. What is my analysis on oil? My analysis on oil, this is oil, by the way. My analysis on it should go lower. The reason for that is technical. We have breached 128. Seems like the market seems that was a good price, and America are going to release 1 million barrels a day. OPEC is going to release 423,000 more barrels a day. China, Shanghai had a lockdown for the next 10 days, which is the opposite. That will make oil prices go higher that will make oil prices go lower because there's lack of demand. So yeah, I generally think it should fall, and I have that for the whole week, and we have been in profit. We have hit target for the week, and everything has been great. For NFP in particular, NFP doesn't move with oil in any substantial move. It might go up or down, or a candle or two, but it doesn't really move that one. Okay, is that okay? That is okay. If you want to join my daily setup or my mentorship, you can go to Eivindfx.com, or you can text me in Discord. You will have access to Discord. There's free. I'm not going to bother you, but if you want, there is where you go. That is where you go. And somebody asked about payments today, that you don't want to put your debit card in, only want to put credit card in. It's totally up to you, mate. Totally up to you. I don't want to use PayPal because that makes me manually working, and then I almost want to put a higher price for you to send me in PayPal, because it will take time out of my day. It's a lot more work than you ever imagine. It's easy for you, but it's not easy for me when there is already an easy solution for both of us. So yeah, because I need to put on reminders, I need to add you physically, manually. I need to remind you. I need to add a calendar to when your payment is supposed to be for the next month. It's a whole other process. So Chris, target 90 so far. Target 90 so far. Pound, dollar, we haven't even looked at it yet. So, my good old friend in pound has said, I don't care what the market does, it's only going sideways. So, whatever happens, I want this to rise. For the simple reason, I just want to sell it lower. Casasa, we can talk about Trader Central afterwards, yeah, that's okay. But I'm also going over to Trader Nick, so if me and you are going to talk about it, either in a Zoom meeting or something, which I have plenty of today. So I'm just thinking, second guessing my answer there. Can we talk about it tomorrow, maybe? I am busy. Not that I don't want to be busy, but I am busy. Sorry. Or, sorry, after the live with Nick, we can have a discussion then. Okay, cool? Cool. Then what is important here is I wanted to go higher. So how high? 135, 133, something, so I can sell it. Okay? That's what I want. And the other one that I also want to do today is EURUSD. Okay, so EURUSD has been the weirdest thing in this entire world, okay? And it made a high up to 115, stopped and went lower for no other apparent reason than just to mess with us. And after that, I have been saying, well, I don't like that. That is not what I want to see, okay? That is not, well, there is sell trades, there is buy trades, there's all those trades, but I would say it's a bit of a randomness. It's not really clearly trending. It's not really going to those levels I want it to go. I'm hurt because I sold. And it went, and it had a short squeeze. And squeezed me out. We are a lot of people that did that. So, other than that, don't like it. DXY is in a range. We all can see we should have bought 97.80, but it wasn't clear that day. But so far, my plan for April has gone splendidly. I want bullishness, and we have got bullishness. I will, over the weekend, post a weekly outlook. And we need to talk about that fast and furious. Mostly because we need to be able to have a safe plan, good plan, and a plan that really works. All right? So, as we're coming into the last 15 minutes, I want us to look at S&P 500, a bit at least. We are currently going a bit higher. That's all good. I want us to look at Euro dollar, which is some kind of range. It will break anyways, either up or down depending. I bought USD NOK here yesterday. I took profit at 88.80 here. That one wasn't mentioned publicly. I apologize for that. I need to be better. I need to stop doing that. So I'm out of that one. So right now I'm just waiting for a better price. Yeah, I'm waiting for a better price on USD NOK. But the reason why I bought that one is because Norwegian kroner, Norway Central Bank is going to sell 2 billion kroner a day, which is a lot. That's going to make a lot of more. That's going to make NOK weak, and I'm just found that against a strong currency. That's all. Yen pairs, as we stand today, is making higher highs on 15. Okay. Now, this can change within the NFP. So I have said to my class, I've said to my students, please, let's see today where we end up on Monday and take Monday and just let today do whatever it wants to do. And I would rather be aggressive on S&P 500 than fighting in the mud. Okay. Rafael says Euro Yen. Another one that is supposed to fall, initially at least, but it's kind of having this weird range, and it might fall in the end by all means. But as it stands today, it's kind of like I don't know. It doesn't really feel right. It doesn't feel right. So when something doesn't feel right, follow your gut feeling. And be like, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Okay? So, I would say this is a 50-50 chance. I do not have a direction for myself. I would have that over the weekend. And probably by Sunday, I will have an opinion where I want yen to go. But I definitely see the willingness to sell it. I see that everyone is like, I want to sell it. Please come to me. But that is also the sentiment among retail traders. 67 of them are selling it. Willem asks a fantastic question. Do you make money from selling mentorships or trading? I'm glad you asked, Willem. I do make some for my time I spend on mentorship, yeah. Because on mentorships, you can talk to me every day. You can talk to me every week for 6 months or whatever it is right now. And if you start calculating out the hours you spend with me, I work minimum wage or below that. So yes, trading is definitely the way to pay for this house, pay for the things that I do, and definitely. So mentorship is just a base out there. But if you think it's lucrative, then I'm a millionaire because of mentorships. Nope, that is not true. So yeah, I definitely fight for my pips that I have, so I can eat nice food by the end of the day. But okay, I'm okay. There is no shame in that. The other thing that I can also mention to you, Willem, that I do a lot of discounts. I also do a lot of. I start donating to other streamers, to help back to the community, you know. So February, Colin, February. So just to mention that, yeah, that's okay. But trading is definitely what I need to focus on to make money. But if you go ask those who are in the mentorship, I will be surprised if you hear anything negative, to be honest. But if there's anyone having negative comments, I will spend the whole weekend with you. I will drop everything I have in my hands, and I will help you every single day, every single moment. But yeah, Steve will do Euro Pound, and then we'll go into the mood of NFP news trading. Okay, cool, good. Euro Pound is like a dog with fleas. It never does what it wants. It's a dog that I never understand. It's a range, it's low, it's high, it stops, it peaks, it does whatever, it goes above, it goes beyond. It doesn't do what I want it to do. So right now I will look for buys at 0.83, but there's no guarantee in this on this earth that it will bounce back up again. Just mentioning that. Right now you might want to have a high up to 84.50 before falling. So right now it's at a peak, or peaked a bit, and then it should fall. But I would rather trade pound dollar, pound yen before I do euro pound. I don't know who told you to do euro pound. I don't know where that comes from. Maybe I'm too aggressive on that. But I'm sorry, people. I don't understand the living life out of why it does. And I'm just not an expert in it. I just don't understand. I'm sorry. I'm like a first grader here. Give me euro dollar, pound dollar, and I will snipe rate everything. Alright? Calvin starts with the countdown. I'm alright with that. We can do countdowns. Okay? Count me down. Count me down. Count me down. So, somebody sold euro pound. Where was it? It went lower. Okay, it was it here? Yeah, somebody sold euro pound here, stop loss, and it went lower down to target next week. You know, it's random beyond randomness. Strength incoming for dollar. Strength incoming for S&P. Not 4 minutes before NFP, no. Sure, I will not do that. Australian dollar. For those who want to short, you still have to wait for it to make a low. If you're thinking of buying it, still has been dancing on the central pivot actually, so it's still viable. But yeah. And that is kind of most viable. But I'm waiting. I'm patient. I'm patient as a panda. I hope pandas are patient. I'm patient as a panda to wait for this one. Three minutes. Near Trader. Spaka Ghost. Mermeladita has joined the Discord. Very much welcome to the family. Help. I hope that helps. Bro. Boom, I'm sorry. Hopefully as SPX rises. Yeah. So what's the deal today? Yet again, I'm gonna go to Trader Nick's channel in a couple of minutes after the NFP. So for us today, we're gonna be here for some more minutes together, and then we'll jump over to NFP on Trader Nick's channel. Trader Nick, I'm just gonna give the link to his before I forget about it, because we're gonna make I don't know. What can we do? What can we do over there to make fun of him over there? What can we do over there? Open link, save link, maybe save link, save. Copy. Where is copy link? Copy link address. There it is. Jesus. This is where we are going in a couple of minutes. Okay? I will go there too. No, that's the wrong one. Jesus. It's the wrong link. There we go. Copy link address. There it is. That is where I am gonna be. Same thing. Same guy anyways. But yeah. So wage change. I don't know if you have any positions on it, but if you sold it too early, and it's not bearish on the 4-hour yet. And I'm just waiting for a lower low here. We might never get it, but that's kind of the part of the deal, right? That's part of the deal. Patient like a monk. That is what we're going to be today. Okay, patient like a monk. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. 14, 15. There's 40 seconds left. Let's ask Nick. Well, he does. He does. Raphael. Maybe I should do that. I don't know if YouTube is going to take it down. I don't know how I will do it. But come back, I don't know, Monday or Friday. Maybe Monday. We can talk about it Monday. Maybe there will be some extra there. What price do you think oil will hit before it drops? You're too late with that question. I will do that in 2 seconds. Oh. Dollar bearishness. 4,000. 4, 3, 2, 1. K. Drops. What happens then? On the market. Dollar should fall. Hasn't happened yet, by the way. Dollar is actually rising. That would be plentiful. Euro is dropping. Oh, I forgot to check the unemployment. Unemployment is stronger than expected. We have divergence. All right. Our average hourly earnings is 5.6. Prices goes up. Less people are employed. Less people are in employment. Unemployment rate goes lower. That means more people are getting employed. And there are less people on payroll. So divergence there. Divergence. The reason why there's divergence is because there's two different ways of measuring the same thing. Euro and 50-minute candle is falling, but don't know really. Pound fell a bit, but not really falling much. New Zealand dollar falling a bit. S&P going a bit lower, but nothing much. You're in pound yen sells. I kind of knew that. Okay. That's okay. You're a bit early. And USD yen from the top. Yeah. If it goes to break even, James, take the break evenness and see if you can get a better trade next week. And if you're in loss, take the loss and move to take it in a different way. Then you were too early. Dollar is actually rising. That is interesting. USD and Raphael will fly. Why will it fly? There's no reason for that one to fly. But yeah, it has a bit of a higher price. Okay, cool. I guess nothing more than that. Will gold rise? Gold is currently not really falling and wasn't really the direction I was looking for in gold. But this can develop. So what I'm thinking about, as long as gold is below 1940, I think it'll continue falling. And oil, I think that, well, oil is not supposed to be impacted by this move. But as long as it's below 104, and 102, I am okay with that. But also remember next week's sell price at 103 and 105, which is more important levels to look out for in oil. So if you get that next week, that is more important than Nfp right now. All right, pound dollar yet again. Gonna go do that for the last time. It is currently dropping a bit against what I believed, but that's all that I'm gonna say. I am going over to Trader Nick's channel now, and hopefully you will be there too. I hope it's the right link, and if it's not, then my apologies. Hoping a fantastic day. Boom. Happy profits. I am probably going to buy more S&P as it falls, and if it doesn't, may the props be with you. And remember, come back on Monday and we're gonna have some fun.